beautiful day for a pickup, huh?
Yeah, it is phenomenal. I just took the plane down here from Rochester, New York.
No way.
Yeah. It was like,
Welcome to New York.
thanks. Yeah, then I'm driving back up. Like 6 hours, over 320 miles.
Yes.
Yeah. Well, I'm excited. Man, look at this. This thing looks phenomenal, man. Gosh. Woo. This thing looks so good. And this is the original Model Y version. Man, it looks good with the white interior and everything. It's me right here, man. I had to. Man. Look at this. Oh, hey, doing great. Wow. Man, this is nice. And this is how everything looking on in the inside. Fantastic. White material. Got my card right there. My name on the paper right here. Everything, man. This thing is beastly. Check over everything. Man, this is nice, man. Ooh-wee. Oh wow. This is good. I'm too excited, man. This is motivation right here for real. Gosh. Look at that. So, it's my Model Y here. Just looking everything over. Making sure we're all good. No damages, hopefully none at all. Panels looking okay. No scratches on the rims. Wow, stuff look good. Checking everything out. Make sure everything's good here. What's this right here? Okay. Man, this thing looks good. Checking all over the whole car. Make sure there's no damage or anything. Tires look fire, rims, no scratches. Man, look at this thing. Ooh-wee. Look at this thing, man. Wow, look how good this thing's look. Windshield wipers are good. No chips or cracks on the windshield. Hopefully not. Make sure there's not no damages underneath. Wow, look at this thing. Look it all over. Video footage, nothing. Gosh, this thing look good. Get space down in here. Make sure I get to make sure those work good. Yep. That works good. Look everything over. Scratch. Works out great. Folds up very well. That's normally in there. Okay. Man, this thing looks so good. Thorough look over everything. White interior. Damn. so damn. Gosh, look at this thing. Light seat. Make sure there's no damages on the seat. Model Y. Wow. This thing is phenomenal.
You've driven this before, yeah?
Yes. Yeah, test drove it a few times with me.
You ready?
Yeah.
You on your way?
Yeah. Definitely ready. Yep. This is my Tesla Model Y right here. With the new tag here. Got the white interior. Phenomenal, man. Feels so good. Looks so good. Only have 7 miles on there, brand new. Got 94 battery right now, which is let's see how many miles that is. 302 miles I got left right now. It's nice. I think I got it. Thank you. I appreciate that. Definitely congratulations here. The hair goal right here, parked up on Flatbush, next to the Kif store that's going through reconstruction right now. Got this wellness spot. But yeah, my Model Y right here, blue, black rims, lovely white interior. It's phenomenal. Downtown Brooklyn. I'm loving it, man. This thing look so good and precious. Look, my name right. Yeah, just might get my shop on. I was just going to Kif to get the treats like the milkshakes and stuff, but then I was going to look at shoes, clothing, possibly get something. I do like their t-shirts and stuff, the quality of their clothing and stuff, so I may get me some Kif clothing. And then right now I'm about to go visit my uncle at work. He works at Celine, you know, that luxury clothing brand. He worked right there in Manhattan around all the luxury clothing stores and stuff, so I'm going to go check that out right now. But I don't really wear that stuff.